Hey guys, got a 2026 plate Toyota Yaris here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to use the controls on the left hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the steering wheel. And from here, we're going to scroll right until we get to the settings icon. And then from there, we're going to scroll down until we get to vehicle settings, then hold OK on the steering wheel. Then scroll down to TPMS setting, then press OK. Then go to tyre pressure setting, press OK. Then highlight where it says setting by current pressure. Now first make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then when you're on that, I'm going to press OK again. Setting by current pressure, yes. And that's it.